Welcome to the ice cream of December 22nd.
Whoa.
I know, right? Welcome to the ice cream.
Okay, take two. Take two.
Welcome to the ice cream of December 22nd. You can't go for that over there.
Okay, let's walk around and see if we can have more branches fall on our heads.
Yeah, let's be a bridge with them.
Here's our wreath.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
We made it out of the bottom of a tree, I believe.
See the icicles? Very realistic looking. They're actually lights, Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk around and see the damage it's done.
Look, there's a boy.
Whoa, watch out. We can't walk underneath trees.
Over here.
There's branches down there. This is quite amazing, really, right here. And, yeah, bad things happening. Look at this over here.
What does it do for trees?
All these branches down. Still, it's a little bit of ice in the air. So I just want to focus this closely. Look at that. That's a substantial branch right there. Why does it have buds on it in the middle of wintertime?
Was it what?
Have buds on it in the middle of wintertime.
Buds? Oh.
You can hear branches falling down in the distance. Maybe we'll be filming our own demise.
It's a more open space.
Wow, look at this. Whoa.
That's basically the starting of what happened.
Okay. Get a little spooked out here. This is unbelievable. This is... There's not much left of this tree. Someone's going to have to clean all this up.
The
Kind of
neighborhood.
walk towards the middle here, because this one right here, branches keep falling off that one. Look at that. Oh, that one tree got landed on over there, that little one. Nasty. Ooh, look at that one. That took out the corner of their house.
What?
Look over here. There's the left side, but look at the right side. Ooh. Not good.
Perfect day for snowballs. Wait, ice balls. Not really.
Look at all this. Look at the size of that branch that fell.
Gay is
That's
really
like
bad.
16 inches across.
Yeah.
Look at this. Just whacked their house.
It's terrible.
Look at that. It took out their whole...
Dish. How did the dish the...
Look at the size of that branch. We got to get you... Oh, don't go over there, I guess. Any of these other branches could fall, so we should probably... I'll get a quick picture here before... Oh my gosh.
This is terrible.
Andy, please. Satellite dish went down. Look at that. Took out... Oh my gosh. Look at that. If that would have fallen... Any of these other ones could fall. We got to get out of here.
I just looked for the fence. Yeah.
This branch here is like at least 24 inches across. Wish you could stand close to it, but we got to get out of here because this is not safe at all. Andy, please. This one right here could come down next. That one hanging right over our heads. Walk over this way. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It looks like one of those took off the whole side of their house. Look at there's parts of house right there on this big old branch. Oh my goodness.
Let's see if we can get more to fall.
That's something.
Oh goodness.
Ooh, getting kind of jumpy here.
Just to call a real life joke too.
Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at that one right there falls. gonna land right on top of their house. Okay, wow, look at this.
Hey, Dad.
Lean back towards the garage.
Dad, I think we just like
Those
a
are
stick.
huge branches.
Dad, I think we just make a stick pile bigger.
Amazing that this tree right there hasn't broken. Okay, let's go back inside. This is not This is not safe.
Let's just follow it up. Follow me.
Stuff falling down. What a mess.
Does this just fall?
No, I heard that last night. It's been, but look at this, there's like all these branches like stripped right off of there. This is the one that keeps breaking right here. We should probably not stand close to that. But there's like 4 separate breakages in this pile. It's gonna take forever to clean this up. Look at this. That's crazy. Okay, let's go inside before we get... Oh, it looked like part of our garage did get hit, but it didn't. It just needs painting. That's what it needs. Fortunately, nothing's fallen. That big one right there fell off. Only bits and pieces of them are falling off. Okay, there's one that landed on Luce's car, went right through the grill. That speared right through right there.
Oh, we missed it.
No, I got it.
Oh, no, we missed being under it.
Oh, yeah, missed being under it. Very nice. Very nice. It's not really that cold out. Okay. End of ice storm. End of video.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, should get videos of this. This side's all icy. This tree is like an ice tree here out in front.
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
People going by. Okay, that's enough. That's your walk around.